Hi, this is John and Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun. We are here in Branson, Missouri, right across from Wonderworks, where we are trying out a brand new restaurant called Local Flavor. We're very excited to try this out, and hey, thanks to the team at Local Flavor for inviting us tonight.
So way back in the day, this used to be called Sadie's Sideboard. That's when I was growing up here in the 80s. And
I remember that. I think in the 90s when I came with you, I think it was still Sadie.
Yeah, but
so,
look, it's wonderful in here. It's really,
so cute.
Really nice.
It has that kind of rustic, all-American feel.
So we have some home cooking kind of food going on tonight, huh?
Yes, it's got that home cooking. There's burgers, but listen to these savory starters. You've got homemade onion rings, fried green tomatoes, hand-cut French fries, jalapeno bottle caps.
What's that?
They're jalapeno slices, hand-breaded and fried. That
Oh.
sounds good. Lots of fried.
Wow. It's going to be a good night, Amy.
Yes, it's just going to be hard to choose.
He said they're bringing out some onion rings.
rings.
He said they're famous for their onion rings, so that's kind of how we're starting tonight.
Yeah.
All right, Amy, we've got some intel. So we found out that they opened on Tuesday.
Yeah, so
just getting started, and it's so cool, huh?
So today's Tuesday, right? So exactly
Just a week
they're
ago.
exactly a week old. So, and they have another location in Oklahoma, and they've always loved Branson, so they just decided to take the plunge and open this location. So, and we're glad they did.
Super glad. What are you finding? Anything else here as we're scouring the this amazing
It all
menu?
looks really good. I haven't really concentrated yet on everything.
We've got to concentrate.
I know.
Hey, check it out, Amy. Here is their original location right there in Oklahoma. And there they are. I don't know what to choose. What are you gonna eat?
I don't know. I may either have the farm burger without the bun. It's got a fried egg and bacon and cheese on it. That sounds really good. Or do I want a salad? I don't know. What are you getting?
I'm not sure.
Here you got some onion rings.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
Look at that sauce. Ooh, they smell so good.
Oh my gosh. Now, Amy, you have a situation here where it's going to keep you from eating these, huh?
I know, I can't have gluten, so I'm going to watch you eat them and be very jealous.
I'll savor them and let you enjoy the experience of me eating them. These are different. These are flaky and so good. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they
for real.
smell amazing.
I mean, incredible.
They smell
amazing.
so amazing.
Oh my gosh. I love onion rings and I really love these. Want some?
I
Would
do.
you like some?
I do. I would, but I cannot. But there are other things that I'm looking for.
There's more coming, Amy.
Yes.
I think I'm gonna do the chicken fried chicken. I don't usually do that, but I'm going
That
for it.
sounds so good.
Have you zeroed in on anything?
I've zeroed in on a couple things. I just have to decide.
Okay. Hey, check it out, Amy. Dog
We have a
Patch
Dog
USA.
Patch USA advertisement there. Tickets on sale here. And hey, guess what? Johnny Morris has bought that Dog Patch USA property, and rumor is he's already transforming it to be something awesome. So we can't wait to see what that's all about.
I can't wait to go. I've been in my much younger years as a wee little one.
A wee little one.
Mm-hmm. And I remember it. I still remember it. It was awesome.
Yeah, hopefully he's going to do something, reminiscent of that.
Yep. And it looks like someone's getting ready to play some music. So they have live music here sometimes, Amy.
That's cool.
Isn't that awesome?
She don't care about what you like. No thing she's wrong. Maybe she knows you're right. You can't take a while. I just want your heart flies with your head every time you beat.
So we're eating intentionally, nice and slowly, so we can take time to video. And we've had a great chance to meet the owner and his wife and talk, and amazing people.
Yeah, they have such a cool story, and they are so friendly. So y'all really need to come here and meet them. And hey, look, I gotta show you my favorite sign.
Where are you going?
I just
You're
found
leaving?
it.
Are you leaving?
It's my favorite sign. I gotta show it. There's a skinny girl who lives inside of me that's trying to get out, but I can usually shut her up with cookies. This is me.
But you are skinny.
Oh, thank you, babe.
So they have both of these restaurants going, and they actually do some traveling back and forth and to maintain
Yeah, so they said
excellence
it's 3.5
at both places.
hours between the two locations, and so they go back and forth. And yes, to maintain the quality in both places. That's awesome.
And the young lady who is singing right now, right behind us, she actually is from the other location.
Yeah.
How cool is that? It's
Yeah,
like
that's
this whole family,
Yeah, they're
friend
like
and
a-
family kind of thing.
Yeah, that's so cool.
I like it here, Amy. I really like it here.
You almost ate your whole basket of onion rings all by yourself.
Yeah, these are not designed for one person, unless that person's name is John Burton. Hey, look at this.
Wow. There's nothing like a hamburger with a fried egg on top. That's
oh my
awesome.
gosh, incredible. And they said this corn is made out of cream cheese.
Yeah, so it's cream corn, but it's not like the squishy cream corn that you get in the can. This is like cream cheese in the corn, so like really good cream corn.
Wow. Homemade ranch, huh? You got the whole bottle right there.
I can have as much as I want.
All right, well, I have you. How's the first few bites there?
It's very good, and I really like this ranch.
What are you eating the ranch with?
The burger.
Oh, okay.
It's amazing. And I love this fried egg on top of the burger.
All right, just had my first couple bites of fried chicken. This is amazing, and it's the same batter that was on the onion rings that they're now gone.
That buttermilk batter.
Yep.
Amazing. Everything tastes better in
And the
buttermilk.
potatoes, Amy shared her potatoes with me. Amazing.
I'm still eating my hamburger. It's amazing.
Everything's amazing.
And that's my third helping of the homemade ranch.
I don't.
And the cream corn is incredible. It's nothing like the cream corn you think of because, you know, you think of the really mushy stuff that you get in a can. This is not like that.
No.
This is real cream cheese and
Super
it's
good.
amazing.
Real potatoes.
All the best.
I guess I should finish eating, huh?
You should. I am here with Michelle Brashear. She and her husband Greg are the owners here at Local Flavor. And so, Michelle, can you just tell me a little bit about your story and how you came to start
Whoa,
Local Flavor?
there's a lot of fun action going on in the kitchen back there.
If you
huh?
need to take a break, it's always cool.
Yes, so I've always loved to cook, and I used to be a hairdresser. I was a hairdresser for like 23 years, but I started cooking for people, cooking for my friends, and they kept saying, you need to open a restaurant. And so I said, well, I don't know. A friend of mine asked me to make a dinner for their trucking company for all of their employees. And so I did that one day, and then they kept asking and asking, so it turned into kind of a big deal.
That's awesome.
Everybody in town, the teachers, I was delivering lunches out of the back of my car. And so it turned crazy. Yeah, it turned crazy. So then I got at the concession stand at the local auction, and I was overtaking the auction. So we had tables set up, and it just went crazy. And then a friend of mine said that my 6th grade teacher, her antique shop was for sale. And so we decided to go look at it, and we ended up buying it and turning it into a little restaurant. And that was 4 years ago.
And that's in Oklahoma.
In Oklahoma, yes, in a little bitty town. We don't even have a stoplight. And so we were rolling along and loving it, and someone sent us a picture of this building, and they said, this place is for sale, and so you might want to put another Local Flavor in. And I said, LOL. And I said it would have to be an act of God. And it was.
And it was.
And it was. It's amazing. Yeah. It was a David and Goliath situation. And I don't know how we're here. Like every day I wake up and I'm like, can you believe this is happening?
It's so great. It is so awesome. So it's like a dream come true
really
for
is.
you.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So it's a God story.
It is.
I love that.
Yeah, the night before we met with the owners to talk about this place, we pulled in the parking lot and I did a Jericho march around the
Oh,
building.
awesome.
Now, for all of our
Some
viewers,
of our
why don't you
viewers might
explain
not
that,
know
Amy?
what a Jericho march is, but basically in the Bible, the book of Joshua, they march around Jericho, and basically the city becomes theirs.
Yes, the walls collapse and they get into the promised land.
Yes, and so here we go. You did a Jericho march, and you claimed
As an act of faith.
You claimed this for your.
I said, if it's meant to be, it'll go smoothly, and if it's not, block it. Just block it. On my 7th time around, I was coming up that hill, and I just knew that was going to happen.
That's
Wow,
awesome.
that's so
That's
cool.
awesome. Cool.
Wow.
Well, and so tell us the kind of food you have and kind of what the inspiration is.
We have comfort food.
And I've got to tell you, I'm feeling comforted right now.
Good. I'm glad. I'm glad.
And I'm not even done yet. I'll be done soon.
I want you to feel full and like you came to your grandma's or your aunt's
That's how
house.
we feel.
Yes.
Not commercialized or I just want it to feel like home
And you decorated all of this. It's beautiful.
I did. My husband has a junk store back at home and I robbed his junk store. I got a U-Haul trailer and I robbed
Everything is so cute, and it has that really country, comfortable feel.
Good.
And so I love it. I was telling your husband, I remember when it was Sadie's, looked totally different. It was really cool back then, and it's cool to see it, revitalized, and now this really cool space, now that it's local flavor.
I loved Sadie's. We came here in the 80s and 90s, and I loved it. Yeah. Pretty much what we were going for.
Yeah, that's awesome. And you guys actually have an old Sadie's menu up here that your husband said you found when you were remodeling.
I found it downstairs.
That's really cool. So we have some nostalgia there.
That's right.
So very cool. Well, is there anything else you would like to add or say? Your hours? Can you tell us your hours?
Yeah, our hours are Tuesday through Thursday, 11 to 8:30. Friday and Saturday, 11 to 11, and on Sunday, 11 to 3. And we're closed on Monday.
Okay, perfect.
Hey, and no guarantees, but we came up with a crazy plan, didn't we?
We are supposed to go to a Renaissance Festival this weekend, and it happens to be 20 minutes from their other location, their other local flavor location. And is it Haskell,
Yep, it's in
Oklahoma?
Haskell,
Oklahoma. So we thought we may try to take a trip there, and if we do, you will see footage of their original location in this video.
Yeah,
Right,
more
so-
comfort food.
I hope that works out.
We'll need to
Yes.
be comforted when we're in Oklahoma.
Right.
Yeah, of course.
It'll be great.
Awesome.
Well, it's been
Thank you, guys.
amazing.
Yes, and thank you.
This is great. You guys are great.
Oh, thank you. You're great too.
This
Yes.
food is great, so it's waiting for me.
All right, John.
All right, Amy.
Not only did you eat a full basket of onion rings and
Check this
all of your fried chicken, and your salad, and my mashed potatoes.
And your mashed potatoes. I ate everything.
Now you've got this amazing cheesecake.
Look at this.
Oh,
Wow.
graham cracker crust.
I already had a bite, and I don't want it to ever end. I don't want it to ever come to an end. So I'm just gonna eat real slow. Amazing owners, both of them. We had that great interview, and super awesome lady, huh?
Yes, they are so sweet.
Are you having fun with that camera?
Amazing. I don't know, you're the camera person. All right, you gonna eat more?
Hey, do you know what's exciting?
What's that?
Is coming. It won't be exciting for anybody but me. I've got my new camera coming in tomorrow. For anyone that is into cameras, it's the Canon R6. I can't wait. So these videos are going to start to look a little better, I think. Isn't that exciting to you, Amy?
Well, that's the idea.
She doesn't know.
All right, this was so amazing. Big thanks to Michelle and Greg. Wow, they are so hospitable. If you guys get to meet them, you will love them. And
Man, they just pull up and just hang out at your table with you, and you pull up a chair, and it's just amazing.
it's
I love
like
it.
you're part of their family.
It's like I feel like I have new family.
Yeah, and the food, so great. Yes, it is the definition of comfort food. And listen, this place is so easy to find. It's just right across the street from Wonderworks. You cannot miss it.
Look at that.
Look for the Upside Down House, and across the street, local flavor right here. But wait, we're going to go check out their location in Oklahoma.
We are?
Here we are in Haskell, Oklahoma at the OG Local Flavor. I'm sure it's going to be just as good as the one in Branson, and here we get to check out where it all began.
this
just
one-
like Branson, we had to let the kids try these onion rings.
These onion rings, I ate the whole thing myself. And Ella's a big onion ring freak.
Oh my god.
These are me done in a flash.
I usually don't like onion rings.
The menu, they say, is identical between the two restaurants. And
Some of the things have a little bit different names,
yeah.
but yes, the same food. So
And it's such an adorable little restaurant, isn't it? We love it.
it is. It's very cool seeing the original one and then how they've gotten to expand to Branson. That's awesome. This is the Frito pie, so it's Fritos, chili, cheese, and I had sour cream added.
All right, good stuff. This is what they call the junk. Junk is good.
Got a little bit of everything in it.
Yep.
Local flavor, this time in Haskell, Oklahoma. And hey, big thanks to Greg and Michelle for having us out to do this video and for treating us to two amazing meals. Y'all are awesome. You guys, check out Local Flavor if you're in Branson or if you happen to be in Haskell. Either one, you're gonna love this food. Thanks for following along and safe travels, everyone.